While most people use an app to set up a VPN, did you know you can do it manually on your iPhone without the App Store? This is perfect for connecting to a corporate network or if you have specific VPN credentials. Here's how. You can't just create a VPN from scratch. You must have the connection details from a VPN provider or your network administrator. You'll need the VPN server address, your username and password, the VPN protocol type. With that info, let's add a VPN to your phone. Go to Settings, General, scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN, and then tap Add VPN. Wait for the configuration. Tap Type and select the protocol your provider gave you. For example, IPv2. Go back and fill in all the details from your provider. Description, server, remote ID, and your authentication details. Once all the fields are filled in, you're ready to connect. Tap Done in the top right to save the configuration. You'll be returned to the VPN screen. Tap the toggle switch next to your new VPN configuration. That's it! Your iPhone is now connected to the VPN. To disconnect, just go back to the same screen and toggle the switch off.